Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a critical aspect of personal finance, creating and sticking to a budget. A budget is more than just numbers on paper, it's a roadmap to financial success, helping you manage your income and expenses effectively. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's understand why a budget is so crucial for financial well-being. A budget acts as a financial plan, helping you gain control over your money, avoid overspending, and save for the future. It also enables you to make informed decisions, such as how much to allocate for expenses and savings. Creating a budget might seem daunting, but it's the first step toward achieving your financial dreams. With a budget, you can track your spending, identify areas where you can save money, and make conscious choices about how you use your hard-earned cash. Financial discipline is vital for a stable and secure future. It helps you avoid living paycheck to paycheck and empowers you to build a solid foundation for wealth creation and achieving your long-term financial goals. Now, let's move on to step 1, calculate your total income. This includes all sources of money you receive regularly, such as your salary, freelance earnings, side hustles, or any other income streams. Take a look at your pay stubs, invoices, or bank statements to add up your monthly income. If your income varies from month to month, use an average of your earnings over the past few months. This will give you a realistic view of how much money you have available to work with. Keep in mind that your income is the foundation of your budget. It's crucial to have an accurate and up-to-date picture of your earnings to create a budget that reflects your financial reality. Moving on to step 2, list your expenses. Make a comprehensive list of all your regular monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and any other fixed costs. Additionally, identify variable expenses like entertainment, dining out, shopping, and other discretionary spending. Estimate an average amount for these variable expenses based on your past spending patterns. Listing your expenses may require some effort, but it's essential to have a clear picture of where your money is going each month. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Step 3, categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into essential and non-essential categories. Prioritize essentials like housing, utilities, and groceries, and allocate funds accordingly. To do this effectively, consider breaking down your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are essential for your well-being and survival, while wants are things that add to your quality of life but are not absolutely necessary. Creating expense categories also allows you to identify discretionary spending that may be reduced or eliminated to free up more money for your financial goals. With your income and expenses in place, let's move on to step 4, subtract your total expenses from your total income. If your expenses are lower than your income, you have a surplus, which can be directed towards savings, investments, or paying off debts. This is excellent news, as it means you have extra money to put towards your financial goals. On the other hand, if your expenses exceed your income, it's time to make some adjustments to your spending. Look for areas where you can cut back or find ways to increase your income, such as taking on extra freelance work or finding a part-time job. A budget deficit can be a wake-up call, urging you to take proactive steps to improve your financial situation. Don't be discouraged, instead, use it as an opportunity to analyze your spending habits and make positive changes. Step 5, create a realistic budget. Ensure that your budget aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits, and aim to strike a balance between saving and enjoying life. Budgeting is not about deprivation, it's about making intentional choices with your money. By setting realistic spending limits and goals, you can create a budget that is both effective and sustainable. When creating your budget, consider setting aside money for savings and emergency funds. This financial cushion will protect you from unexpected expenses and give you peace of mind. Moving on to step 6, track your spending. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or budgeting journals to monitor your expenses throughout the month. Tracking your spending helps you stay on course and identify areas where you may be overspending. Regularly reviewing your expenses will allow you to make necessary adjustments and stay accountable to your budget. It's essential to track both fixed and variable expenses to ensure you're sticking to your financial plan. Step 7. Evaluate your budget regularly. Your financial situation may change over time, so it's essential to review your budget periodically. Major life events like getting married, having children, or buying a home may require adjustments to your budget. By evaluating your budget regularly, you can ensure it continues to serve your financial goals effectively. Flexibility is a key component of successful budgeting. Be open to making changes as needed to adapt to life circumstances and keep your financial journey on track. Now that you have a budget in place, let's discuss the benefits of sticking to it. Staying on budget empowers you to build emergency savings, reduce debt, and invest for the future. It also brings peace of mind and financial stability. By staying disciplined with your spending and adhering to your budget, you can take control of your financial destiny. No longer will you be burdened by financial stress. Instead, you'll have the freedom to pursue your dreams and aspirations. Lastly, let's talk about the long-term benefits of budgeting, building wealth. A well-structured budget not only helps you manage your day-to-day expenses but also paves the way for long-term financial success. With careful budgeting and consistent savings, you can invest your money wisely to grow your wealth over time. Whether it's through stocks, real estate, or other investment vehicles, your budget will be the foundation of your wealth-building journey. By staying committed to your budget and financial goals, you'll see your savings grow and your financial security increase. Building wealth is a journey, and budgeting will be your trusted companion every step of the way. Congratulations! You've now learned the importance of creating a budget, how to get started, and the long-term benefits it brings. Remember, budgeting is a powerful tool that can transform your financial life. Take the time to review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure it continues to serve your financial goals. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more money-related tips and advice. If you have any questions or budgeting tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay financially savvy and take care.